What's going on, guys? Don over at REI Automation Squad, and today we're going to talk over a extension that we're going to be releasing that allows to do a click-to-call function within your Podio and or websites that have the hyperlinked phone numbers like this, specifically around this call to function that'll allow you to click the phone number and outbound dial inside of CallRail and in the lead center. So part of what's going to happen to make that happen is obviously download an extension from the Chrome store, and we'll be providing a ability to do that and how to get that at a later date. But for now, I just wanted to kind of show you what this looks like. Within the extension that we have, you basically have to provide the phone number inside of CallRail that you want to dial out using. So this is the tracking number, and whatever the company name is inside your CallRail account. So if I go over to CallRail, this is typically what that looks like. And if I go into the lead center, this is the company name right here. You can see company, and this is the name, and this is the caller ID. Now you can see 1255 is right here. But if I go back to Podio and look, you see 1255 is that number right there. If I click this right here, it's going to open up the lead center. It's going to have that phone number that we already marked off as the calling, and now you can click to begin that call, make that outbound call, and put in your notes and whatever when you're done. If you have phone field types, which is this right here, you can click this call function right here, and as you see, that works as well. So that'll put in the phone number, the tracking number of whatever you put in there, and you can begin that call. So if you've got a text field, you just need the call to function added in there, and we can show you how to do that at a later date, different video. But if you've got the phone number field and have it set up right here, you have the ability to click this and outbound dial, and that's what this extension will allow you to do. Feel free to reach out if you got any questions, comments down below the video. Otherwise, our support team can be reached either by going to reiautomationsquad.com, and there'll be a chat bubble that you can chat with our support team, or feel free to reach out by creating a ticket. Send an email over to support@reiautomationsquad.zendesk.com, and we'll further discuss on this click-to-call function and how it works. All right, guys, thanks. Take care.